In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix Klarna. Sorry, we couldn't approve you for this option. So let's get started. Now, first of all, we're going to be looking at why Klarna shows you this message in the first place. So the first issue could be your credit check issue. Klarna does a soft check on your account, spending history, and sometimes credit score. If your recent payments are late or you have too many active Klarna purchases, it may block approval. The second problem that could be happening is purchase value is too high. Klarna may refuse the pay later or installments option if the amount is too big for your account limit. Then we could probably have card issues. The card you're using may not be eligible. For example, it could be expired, insufficient funds, blocked by your bank, or different billing address. So make sure that your billing address of the card matches with the billing address in Klarna, which you can just go over to the top left corner, click on your profile, and check it from there. Then we could have technical glitches. Sometimes the Klarna app or website just has a temporary problem. And lastly, it could be due to a merchant restriction because certain stores or items may not be eligible for Klarna's payment options. Now, let's get to the main part on how you can fix it, okay? So the first step is to check your Klarna account. So open the Klarna app and look for any notifications about blocked purchases, overdue payments, or limits. Pay off any pending balance if needed, which you can do all from this page right here. So you can see all your insights and your purchases right here. It's going to show up here. You can go ahead and pay it. As you can see, total you owe. So if you go ahead and pay this, perhaps you can make the purchase you're trying to. The next step is that try a different payment option. If you were using pay later or installments, try pay now using a valid card. Sometimes using a different card helps. You could also try reducing your purchase amount. Klarna may approve a smaller amount. Try splitting your order or buying fewer items. Then check your card. Ensure your debit or credit card has enough balance, is active and not expired, and it matches the billing address in Klarna, which we already talked about. Lastly, you could try clearing app or cache, like app cache. So for that, you just gotta go to the settings. So you gotta go to the settings. You gotta go ahead and search up Klarna, obviously. Go over there, scroll down, go to storage, and you can just clear cache from there, okay? And lastly, if that doesn't work, you can go ahead and try contacting Klarna. So on the top right, you can see this notification symbol, just click that, and this is their customer service. You can just go ahead, explain your issue, or just choose any of the problems you're facing on the top, and hopefully they can help you with it. So, alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.